Welcome guys, today I'm going to be showing you my creations on my little gingies. I got these foam sheets. It came 12 in a pack with little gingerbread, and I went ahead and decorated those. So I'll be sharing with you my little decorations that I created. I just decorated 3. I am also partaking in Jill Norwood Saturday Morning Makes, and anyone could partake. Just share what you love doing, creating, and you put hashtag Saturday Morning Makes to the end of your title or somewhere in the description. Hop on over to Jill Norwood's channel, check her out, as well as get more information on Saturday Morning Makes. So if you guys are interested in seeing my little decorative pieces, please do stay tuned. Welcome everyone. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump into my decorative pieces. So like I said, these foam sheets I got from the Dollar Tree, which were $1.25, and I went ahead and decorated a couple pieces. They're very flimsy, but you could do so many things with them. You could do these decorations with family and friends. It is a nice activity to pass the time. So let's go ahead and jump into the decorated gingies. Let me just show you the first one that I created. This is the first guy that I created right here. I use different paints. I use acrylic, water-based ink. But you just have to be careful when you're using your ink. I use my acrylic pen. You just have to make sure it dries completely. And it could take, it depends on what you use, take a minute to dry, especially if you're going to build on top of it. Like if you're going to put like the white on top of the black, I had issues where my white pen was picking up some of the ink and transferring that ink. So you just have to be aware of that. But this was fun creating these. You could put them, hanging them on a tree. You could hang them, they're really flimsy if you see. And you could hang them on your cabinets. They're that lightweight. You could make garland out of these. So there's so many different things that you could do to create these little gingies. So let me show you the other one that I created. And this one right here. You know, I could add a bow to this one here. The hair and the head section, make it a little girl if I choose to. So I add little hearts on her instead of the peppermints right here. I drew all of those. These are hand drawn on. So the white just adds a little extra touch to those hearts right there instead of the peppermints. And you could see right here where you have a little bit of black. After I put like the white in the eyes, that's not as bright. You could see that. My pen picked up some of the black and it got transferred here. So you have to be so extra careful. But these are just handcraft, and I just think they're beautiful in my eyes. So, and they'll be beautiful when I hang them along the fireplace or on my Christmas tree. And then this is another one here that I created. I put 3 hearts and this little guy right here. And I just think that adding the white touch there to the red makes a difference. And you can see I have little specks of white throughout the body, that where my ink didn't dry well, but that looks good. It looks like they have flour on top of them, right? And it just makes that creation so extra special. So if you're new to my channel, you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So these here are my latest creations, and I think I'm just going to make a garland out of it. So stay tuned, guys. And I also have a video on how I create these fake peppermint candies. I'm going to list that up to the top. So I'm going to list it somewhere up to the top up there. So go ahead and hit that video and check that out if you're interested in how to create that. And these were some peppermint molds. They also had the candy cane mold. It was a combination of the peppermint candy as well as candy cane mold, and those were from the Dollar Tree. And I did that, I want to say it was a year ago I did these, and you could hang them from your tree too as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I would catch you on my next video.